What's going on, guys? I actually realized that I did not film an intro to this video, so I'm doing it now. So if you haven't already, hit the subscription button down there, subscribe. We'll give you a couple seconds. Alright, sweet, appreciate it, thank you. That helps a lot because I need to reach 1,000 subscribers for YouTube to continue to recommend my videos to other viewers who might not normally see it. Long story short, Tysons transmission on his E46, it was automatic, grenaded right down the street from my house. So Friday evening, when I got off work about 5 or 6, we put it in the garage, and by Sunday before the Super Bowl, it was a 5-speed. So this kind of video kind of goes over that whole process. It's not really a step-by-step, but it just kind of shows everything that we kind of did to get it going. We ended up putting I think it's called a ZF transmission. It's an E46 M3 5-speed transmission into his E46. We were able to keep the automatic diff, so he could keep the gears. He wanted the gears that were in the diff. We had to do a bunch of little custom things. We did have to trim the trans tunnel about a quarter to half an inch to make room for the shifter. We put a short shifter in it. We put a single mass flywheel. What else did we do? Oh, custom made a drive line, all sorts of stuff like that. So it was a really cool learning experience. I really thought it was going to take us a lot longer than it did, but between me and Rob and Tyson and Ryan was able to help him pull the exhaust and stuff before I got here. We knocked it out. It was pretty quick. Very satisfied. I know Tyson seemed super satisfied. So like I said, if you haven't already, hit the subscription button. Give this video a thumbs up. Enjoy the video. Thanks, guys.
So my automatic tranny pretty much blew up. So we're switching this bitch to a 5-speed because why am I going to spend almost the same amount on another automatic transmission to do the same thing?
True that. So how far have we gotten?
So far, we have pulled the exhaust, which is right over here.
Look at that muffler, dude. Oh my god.
That's a suitcase.
That's huge.
That's a lot of fucking exhaust pipe too. That car don't look that long. Oh, that fits under there?
Yep. Halfway in too. Right at the end of the tranny. And then we just pulled the drive line. So now we're gonna drain it. We're getting ready to drain the fucking tranny fluid. And then it's only a matter of time until the tranny comes out.
Oil leak down here.
Considering I haven't cleaned it
Ever.
fucking like
At least he has a pan.
miles.
Yeah, fucking Ryan over here looking like Paranormal Activity. Fucking bright ass fucking light. Oh! It's dance party. Now it's a BMW.
Putting the band back together. Forget it. No way.
We're on a mission from God.
Day 3.
Finally pulling the train.
Alright. Let's see how tight this is.
Hopefully tighter than everything. I mean, at this point, I guess I don't really hope it's tighter. I just can't believe how loose the train. That's why those mounts went to shit. Because that was so loose. Probably.
Probably pick and pull tranny.
Maybe. Who knows? Maybe we got the same bullshit that happened to that fucking truck. Okay, so for like the last 15 minutes, we've been trying to get this bolt.
Ready?
So we got Mr. Triceps over here. It's fucking stiff, dude. That's what I was doing too.
I don't know. It's been 3 days. I can't breathe. I'm in the transmission tunnel. No, but seriously, yeah. So we're about to take the flywheel off right now. I got a little bit of room. I'm not having to flex my abdomen to hold myself up. I have a little bit of room, so what I'm working with here. This is my lighting, because otherwise you guys wouldn't see me. So we got, let me pull it all out here. We got this cockamamie off. Hello? Hello down there?
Today Tyson broke his dead pedal, like he said he wasn't gonna do.
Yeah, that's good. I'm trying not to break this.
What the heck is that? Oh, the.
That's my cover.
Just put it in your trunk, dude. It's safer there. Alright, so now you can see the little shifter housing is all nice and clean, bushings removed and stuff. So now we're gonna put the short shifter in. So got the short shifter installed, got the fresh new bushing up in there. New pillow ball thing and kind of new boot, but that's it. Today marks day 2 of the transmission swap on Tysons E46. We started yesterday evening. I didn't get home till around 5. My buddy Ryan, that you guys saw eating the chips, he came over and was giving Tyson a hand. And then when I got home, we all pretty much all hands on deck. Got everything out, got the shifter assembly put in, short shifter, all that stuff. All that's basically left as of today is putting the pressure plate and clutch on, which I have to go get my torque wrench. I have a lifetime warranty on it. I need to go get that exchanged so we can do that. Pressure plate, clutch, wiring in the clutch pedal, and so that it has, like, you know how automatic car has like the neutral safety switch? Well, you have to wire it in so that his clutch works and disengages and controls the car. So you have to put the clutch in to start the car. And it's a BMW, so everything is electronic. So we gotta do that, and that's pretty much it. Then we can start putting everything back on. We replaced all the seals on the transmission yesterday. Oh, we need to do the rear main seal also. But yeah, that's pretty much most of it. I actually headed over to Aaron and Michael's shop, Thrash Chassis. I'll put their description below because I don't think I can do this anymore with the YouTube demonetization thing. They actually moved into a new shop, so I'm gonna go check it out, hang out with them for a little bit. I probably won't really film anything. I'll leave that for them and their channel. So if you have any interest in another kind of grassroots car builder stuff, check out their stuff. So it's like 5 o'clock, 4:45. You can see Tyson's worked. I'm worked. The car's done. Just kidding. So right now we're kind of pretty close to everything, right? I mean, we got
like 4 more bolts on the belt housing to put in, and we gotta put on the transmission mounts.
Yeah, just the brackets and stuff. That's easy.
It's a lot of just really easy shit.
Little stuff, yeah. The hardest part was mating the transmission up and the starter.
The starter has a little dowel at the very top, and it wasn't going inside the dowel correctly.
Yeah.
It was just being a bitch for
And
us.
you can't see or reach from anything, so you're just working in the dark. That's the most annoying part of everything. And then right now you can see. So the drive lines are different. They told him originally when he watched the video that they could swap it, but based on the drive lines that he has, we can't do that. So what we're doing is we're cutting it and we're welding it, and then if we have to, then he can take it to a shop and have them balance it, or if it like vibrates too much, or he can buy another one, like a one piece. But he needs to be able to drive the car, so this is what we're gonna do. I think it'll be fine. I think he might have to get it balanced, but I don't think it'll be real noticeable. Shout out to fucking West Nile. All these fucking mosquitoes out here. Okay, so you probably can't hear anything I'm saying, but because Tyson decided to get an E46 M3 transmission, we now have to cut his trans tunnel just a little bit so the shifter fits.
About a half inch.
About a half inch. So, be smart and use the helmet.
I haven't figured it out yet still. We'll see. Brakes in. Clutch is in.
Car started because the fuel pump. It's alive! Is it rattling?
Drive line's not turning right now.
I know, so let the clutch out. What the hell is that? Put the
It's a
clutch
vacuum
in?
leak.
Oh.
What is it? It's a vacuum leak somewhere. It whistles.
So you had that? Okay. We didn't cause that then. Sounds like a dying.
Sounds like supercharger.
Yeah. That's what you want to call
That's
it.
what I scare people with.
Alright, go through the gears. Let's see what happens. The door? Hey, wait! Or not. Feels throatier already off. That? Oh, this? That's fit though, right? Nice.
I'm gonna try reverse, but
Let's do it in the gas station. Sick, boy. Race car now, son. It feels like it pulls way better. As you guys can see, Tyson's car is good to go. And we gotta put his exhaust back on, even though I'd highly recommend we don't, because it sounds good, but at least he knows what it'd sound like if he modified the exhaust. But yeah, that's it. Catch you on the next one.